Hey friends, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. When it's a hot summer day, I love a refreshing drink to sip on. Today I'm sharing 3 summer drinks, all made with simple, real ingredients and sweetened naturally with one of my favorite sweeteners, maple syrup. A big thanks to Maple from Canada for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get to our recipes. The first recipe we're making is this maple strawberry margarita mocktail, which can easily be made into a cocktail if you'd like to add alcohol. What makes this beverage so special is the ginger-infused maple syrup. It's really simple to make, very delicious, and you can save the extra syrup for pancakes, waffles, or to add into baked treats. To make this recipe, you will need fresh strawberries, lime, a navel orange, ice, and ginger-infused pure maple syrup from Canada. To make the ginger-infused maple syrup, you will need pure maple syrup and fresh ginger. First, we'll make the ginger-infused maple syrup by simply adding 1 cup of maple syrup and sliced fresh ginger to a small saucepan on medium-low heat. Simmer for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and let steep for 15 minutes. This makes more maple syrup than you'll need for the Margarita mocktail, so make sure to save and use for other recipes. Add strawberries, ginger, lime juice, orange juice, and maple syrup to a blender and blend on high until smooth. Add ice to each glass and fill with your maple strawberry margarita mocktail and garnish with fresh strawberry, orange, and lime slices. Next, we're making maple coconut Italian sodas. Italian sodas remind me of my childhood and summertime vacations. To me, they're the ultimate fun summer beverage, and this is my dairy-free version, and it is so delicious. To make this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon real maple syrup from Canada, soda water, canned coconut milk, and ice. Add maple syrup to your glass of choice, top with ice, then fill with soda water, and leave a little room at the top to add your canned coconut milk. Stir and enjoy. Recipe number 3 is an oat milk maple iced coffee. On a hot summer day, it doesn't get much better than an iced coffee. It's very easy to make, and here's how you make it. You will need real maple syrup from Canada, oat milk, ice, and cold brew coffee, regular or decaf. To make the cold brew coffee, you will need a cold brew carafe, such as this one, with 32 ounces of filtered water, and 3/4 of a cup coffee beans, ground coarse. This will yield a little more than a half cup of ground coffee. Scoop the coffee grounds into the filter and place in the water. Let the whole carafe sit in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, you can remove the filter and your cold brew coffee will be ready to go. Add maple syrup and oat milk into a measuring pitcher and whisk together. Then add your cold brew coffee to an empty glass, top with ice, and pour in your maple oat milk and stir to combine. Enjoy! Maple syrup is a great way to naturally sweeten your favorite recipes. Not only because it provides sweetness, it also contains a variety of nutrients, whereas traditional cane sugar has no nutritional value. 100% pure maple syrup from Canada is a natural sweetener that is derived directly from the maple tree's sap that, when consumed in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet. It is an excellent source of manganese and a good source of riboflavin. Pure maple syrup is also a source of calcium, thiamine, potassium, and copper. 1 serving of pure maple syrup, 2 tablespoons, contains 35% of the daily value of manganese and 15% of riboflavin. Scientists have also identified more than 67 different plant compounds or polyphenols, 9 of which are unique to pure maple syrup. And one of these polyphenols naturally forms when the sap is boiled to produce maple syrup. All 3 of these recipes are on our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com to view, print, or even pin to Pinterest if you want to save for later. And I've put links below in the video description box to head to our blog or to learn more about pure maple syrup from Canada, or if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!